I came across a post from a tarot reader who claimed that a childhood friend was jealous of another friend, painting her so-called villain as deceitful and manipulative. So according to the post, this villain even created a fake dating profile, supposedly wanting to be this other friend. So in relation to my targeting, here's the truth. I once then created a fake dating profile, but it wasn't for deception for a specific person. It was to convince this person to come to Canada, and she knows that I have been convincing her to come here and live here with me. In fact, I even made one as well for a maid who cared for me since childhood, simply because, well, they're single, and what's the harm? And they might find a match in here. And I didn't even get to use it because I just didn't, because I'm too busy with life chair. So my intentions that time were pure, really pure. So with or without making a dating profile, I just want better for people that I care about. And up until now, I'm still convincing people to come here, like my brother, if only it will be easy. But you see, when someone has been plotting on you for years, they will try to twist everything to use it against you. The fact that they even knew about this is quite alarming, because it means they have been invading my privacy and setting me up. So if you're unaware, gang stalking is notorious for fabricating or manipulating situations to frame people. Now let us talk about the red flag that is so obvious in this tarot reading. So the reader didn't even shuffle the cards. She used cards that she had written on her own, laying them out in a way that conveniently fit her narrative. Then she wrote that it was Earth Angels helping this person, when in reality they were a narcissistic group of flying monkeys. So in other words, she staged the entire reading to support a false story. So what else is new with this paid tarot gang stalking readers? I mean, who are you fooling? It is really disturbing how far some people will go to paint me as a villain just to elevate themselves.